This isn't just a Sublime jam, it's your gateway to smooth reggae strumming and that iconic solo. In just a few minutes, you'll be playing Badfish from start to finish. Chords, rhythm, and that tasty lead, all broken down step by step. The strumming pattern for the intro is down, 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 up, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down. So that is the verse. So we start out with the A chord, and with my pick, I'm going to pluck the low E string, and I'm doing some palm muting on the string. To palm mute, you just have to make sure your palm is touching the bridge like this. Then when you pluck, you'll get that sound. So I'm gonna do a down pluck on the E string, then on the and of beat 1, so it goes 1 and. I'm going to do an up strum from the high E that way. And I'm also releasing the chord right after I strum it. Then you pluck the A string. You're going to have that in your chord progression. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and then B minor. B minor is 7th fret E string, 9th fret A string, 9th fret D string, and then we're barring down across the 7th fret. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Then G major, 1st finger, 3rd fret, E string, 3rd finger, 5th fret, A string, pinky, 5th fret, D, middle finger, 4th fret, G, and we're barring down on all of these chords. Back to the A. Here it is without palm muting. Here it is with palm muting. So for the chorus, he goes back and forth between a D and an A chord. The D is played with the 1st finger on the 10th fret of the E string, 3rd finger, 12th fret A string, pinky, 12th fret D string, middle finger, 9th fret G string. Back to the A chord. And then when he sings, "Won't somebody get me off of this reef," you can play an E chord like this. 1st finger, 7th fret A string, middle finger, 9th fret D, ring finger, 9th fret G, pinky, 9th fret B. For this one, you can either strum it, or if you want to keep that bass line going, you can go pluck the A, strum up, barring on this one as well. Then after you do the chorus, it goes back to the verse. Then eventually we get the solo. For the solo, you can start out by playing the 4th fret of the G string like this, and then hammering on to the 6th fret of the G, like that. So we pluck the 4th fret of the G, and immediately hammer on, and then again. So we do it twice. We go, then we pluck the G again. Again, 4 to 6 with the hammer on. Again, then we pluck, then we do it again, and then we pluck the 4th fret. Then the first finger goes on the 2nd fret of the D string like this. Then we hammer onto the 4th fret like that. 2nd fret G string, 4th fret G string. So I'm hammering on from the 2nd fret of the D to the 4th fret of the D, then I'm plucking the 2nd fret of the G, and then I'm plucking the 4th fret of the G. Then 1st fret G, hammer on, pull off. When you do a pull off, do not just lift straight up like this, but you want to lift that way. Pull it that way, so you get the sound to ring out. Here's what we have so far. Next, the middle finger goes on the 2nd fret of the D string. We hammer on with the pinky, because then the 1st finger goes to the 2nd fret of the A string, and you pluck that twice, and then pull off. Then we pluck the 2nd fret of the A string and we slide immediately. Slide from 2 to 4 like this. Then I'm going to switch fingers. I'm going to do a shift like this. After the slide, then shift so that your 3rd finger is holding down the 4th fret of the A string, and then we pluck that note like that. Pluck the 2nd fret of the G string, hammer onto 4, so it goes like this, and then you pluck it again. So 4 on the A, 2 on the D, hammer on, pluck it, 2 on D, 2 on A, pull off to 1, pluck the 2nd fret of the D, hammer on to the 4th fret. Then we finish out the solo with the 5th fret of the E string, 7th fret B, 6th fret G, open B, 2nd fret of the G, hammer on to the 4th fret of the G, and then 2nd fret. Or instead of open B, you could use the 4th fret of the G string like that. Now I will play the whole solo. And now you are ready to play Badfish by Sublime. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Please feel free to comment below if you enjoyed this lesson and if you have any song requests for future videos. Thank you for watching.